Hey, what's going on, guys? I was sent this foam cannon for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. I am going to end up doing another separate video showing how I actually use it to wash my car. This particular video is just for me to do a quick unboxing so you can see what it comes with. So obviously this is the box. You can see inside the container that it comes with here. You have a siphon tube, your set of instructions here, and one of your spray nozzles. And over here in the bubble wrap is your actual sprayer here. So see, so obviously it looks like it has a really easy connect here. So we'll just push that on there, on this connector. You don't need a clamp or anything. And then you'll notice, maybe you can see kind of back in there, that's your sprayer nozzle. So that's where you can decide which tip you need, because this actual sprayer here is good for either 1 to 2,000 PSI or 2 to 4,000 PSI. So depending on what pressure washer you have, you'll have that option. So just make sure you're aware of that and you know what the capabilities are of your pressure washer, and that you know you actually need a pressure washer, not just hook it up with the garden hose. So basically that's it. Again, I just wanted you to be able to see right off what you were getting. Again, and I'll be doing a separate video actually washing my truck with it so you can see how well it sprays.